เผ็ด And now we're gonna peel the skin. This is a peeler. You can find this. I always look for the Kiwi brand. If you want it all out, you can use this one, but I want to leave a little green for color presentation, so I'm gonna use this one. I like to leave a little green in mine. Peel it. Yeah, I just leave a little bit of a green. Yeah, I just like eating sour stuff. Whether it's sour candy, you guys watch my past videos, I like to eat spicy and sour. Growing up, I didn't like sweet stuff, but now as an adult, my taste buds developed. Now I like to eat sweet and sour. Before, I used to just eat salty, savory, or sour. That was my palate. But it's good, now I'm able to eat all different type of food. If you like papaya salad, instead of using papaya churn, you can use this as well. It's gonna be a little bit more sour, so you add less slime to compensate. This is so good over the summer, but it's so hard for me to find mangoes in the summer. Okay, leave that there. Now we're gonna toast our chilies. I add a little bit of salt so it doesn't burn. I want to give it a little color. Have a little dark color, then you can turn it off. They sell this chili powder form too. Asian supermarket, and you could just use that to quickly shut off the heat. You want something like this. Transfer it into a pestle and mortar. You don't have this, you could just use a blender. I'm just gonna crush this. Careful, you're gonna cough everywhere. Pepper is strong and you're gonna get something like this. See that? But I'm sneezing and coughing like crazy. I like to use palm sugar. I like the one that are cubed like this. It's to make it more silky, but it's up to you. One, two, three, five, six. 6 cubes. Use less sugar if you want. So you get something like that. Keep crushing it till it smoothens out. And now I'm gonna add shrimp paste. You can find this at the Asian supermarket. This is the brand I like to use. It's inside is here. Mambruk, kapi, grab. I'll leave the measurements in the description. So that's just gonna go in there. Mash that in. And now we're gonna add some fish sauce. My favorite is the 3 Crab brand, but I don't have any right now. You can find this at the Asian supermarket. I'm gonna add a lot of savoriness to it. That should loosen up the palm sugar. See what the palm sugar does is gives it like a silky, smooth, see? You don't have to use palm sugar if you don't want to. Now I'm gonna add some toasted rice powder. This is the star of the show. It's gonna add a lot of texture to this. There's a little crunch, crisps. And now I'm gonna add some roasted chili that we did from earlier. I'm gonna add a little bit now and I can adjust to taste. Add that on. Look at that. There's the sauce. It's thick. There's the sauce. Now you can add more sugar if you want. You add more chili powder, adjust to taste. Next, I'm gonna add badak. This is fermented fish sauce. What's gonna make it very lao is fermented fish sauce. We like to eat fermented fish sauce badak. You can find this at the Asian supermarket. Here's more or less of what you like. Next, we're gonna add some MSG, abbreviation for make shit good, monosodium glutamate. Just gonna mix that all in. That should thicken it up. Or add more palm sugar. Up to you. So here's a bigger batch I made. You want it thicker, just keep adding toasted rice powder and sugar. Don't put too much sugar, you get too sweet. But look at that. This can last for like a couple months. Just leave it in the fridge. Wow, look at that. Now I'm gonna add shallots to this and sliced chilies. I have the recipe and measurements in the description. Although it's called mango dipping sauce in Lao, it translates to Jeow, Muang, but actually you can use any kind of fruit with this. You guys seen me eat this with lime before. You can eat it with plum, pomegranate, anything. This is optional. I'm adding chopped shallots and chopped chilies. In that go. Oops. Yum. Mix that all in. There it is. All done. Look at that. My mouth is drooling. If you guys know what this is, you know. Spicy. Sauce has sugar, fish sauce, shrimp paste. Let's take sauce from the palm sugar. Look at that. Oh. So flavorful. Spicy. This sauce is so addicting, guys. Never had it. It's savory, pungent from the shrimp paste. I can't even talk right. So spicy. Chili powder, toasted rice powder for texture. And it's sweet, savory, with a hint of sweetness. It's a fruit dipping sauce. Oh, look at that. Pit. Lao, pit, and spicy. I can't no more. I'll eat maybe some more tomorrow. Spicy. I'll see you guys next time. The recipe is in the description. I have it on my YouTube too.